In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in WhatsApp Web on your PC in just about 5 minutes. This straightforward process involves a little help from an external application, which ensures that your experience is both seamless and efficient. Let's dive right into it. First, we're going to start with the basic step, which many of you are already familiar with, navigating to Google. It's essential to begin here because we'll be looking for a specific tool that will aid us in adding contacts directly from our PC to WhatsApp Web, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Upon reaching Google, your next move is to search for an application that can bridge the gap between your contact list and WhatsApp Web. This application is known as the InTouch app extension. Simply type that in the search bar, or if you find it more convenient, you can directly click on the InTouch app extension from your search results. This extension is the golden key to making our task much simpler. Once you've clicked on the InTouch app extension link from the search results, you'll be ushered into a page where you can commence the actual journey of adding this tool to your arsenal. Look for a button or link that says InTouch app extension get started. This is your gateway to unlocking a more accessible way of managing your WhatsApp contacts. Following the path set before you, your next step involves integrating the extension into your browser. If you're using Brave as your browser, you should click on Add to Brave. However, if you're using a different browser, don't worry. The process is pretty much the same across all platforms. This action will prompt you to authorize the addition of the InTouch app extension to your browser, a crucial step in streamlining the process of adding contacts to WhatsApp Web. When you click on Add to Brave, or the equivalent option in your browser, a confirmation window will show up, asking you to confirm the addition of the extension. This is a standard security measure to ensure that you are aware of the changes being made to your browser. Here you will need to click on Add Extension. Once completed, the InTouch app extension will be installed and ready for use in your browser. With the InTouch app extension now part of your browser toolkit, you've successfully set up a bridge for adding contacts to your WhatsApp Web effortlessly. No more needing to save numbers manually on your phone before they reflect on WhatsApp Web. This tool circumvents that hassle by allowing direct contact addition from your PC. Here are a couple of additional tips to make your experience even smoother. Firstly, always ensure that the extension is up to date. Browser extensions receive updates that can introduce new features or important security patches, so keeping it updated is crucial for both functionality and security. Secondly, familiarize yourself with the extension settings. The InTouch app extension may have customizable options that can enhance your experience or make the addition of contacts even more straightforward. To wrap it up, you've just learned how to add contacts to WhatsApp Web using the InTouch app extension on your PC. This process not only simplifies adding new contacts, but also ensures you can manage your WhatsApp connections efficiently, directly from your browser, saving time and streamlining your communication activities. We hope this tutorial was helpful and has enhanced your WhatsApp Web experience. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier, and with tools like the InTouch app extension, staying connected has never been simpler. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more handy guides and tips.